bestinlinemerch.com. Imagine stepping off a plane and being greeted by the gentle whispers of the Indian Ocean, the air thick with the scent of salt and adventure. The Maldives, a paradise of turquoise waters and white sandy beaches, is a dream destination for many. But let's dive deeper because I'm about to take you on a journey through the Maldives like you've never seen before, revealing the hidden treasures that go beyond the typical postcard views. First things first, let's talk about the essentials. If you're planning to explore this stunning archipelago, you need the right gear. A sturdy, waterproof backpack is non-negotiable. Picture this. You're hopping from one island to another, each more breathtaking than the last, and your backpack is your trusty companion. It holds your sunscreen because, trust me, the sun here is no joke. You'll want a high SPF to protect that skin while you soak up the sun. And don't forget a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is key in this tropical paradise. Now, let's get into the heart of the Maldives. Yes, the resorts are luxurious, but there's a whole other side waiting to be explored. Take a local ferry to a nearby island, and you'll find a vibrant community filled with friendly faces and rich culture. The Maldives isn't just about lounging on the beach, it's about connecting with the people. Visit a local market, where the colors of fresh fruits and spices burst like a rainbow. Try some traditional Maldivian dishes, like mashuni, a delightful tuna salad that's perfect for breakfast, or garudia, a fish soup that warms the soul. Eating with locals is an experience that will enrich your journey. Speaking of experiences, let's talk about the underwater world. The Maldives is a diver's paradise, and if you've ever wanted to swim with manta rays or glide alongside a gentle whale shark, this is the place to do it. Grab your snorkel gear, because the coral reefs are teeming with life. You can rent equipment from local shops, making it easy to explore the vibrant marine ecosystem. Just remember to respect the environment. These reefs are delicate and need our protection. And for those who aren't keen on diving, how about a sunset dolphin cruise? Picture yourself on a traditional dhoni, the wind in your hair, as you sail across the ocean. Suddenly, the horizon erupts in a dance of dolphins, leaping and playing in the golden light of the setting sun. It's moments like these that make you feel alive, reminding you why you traveled all this way. Now, let's not forget the importance of capturing these memories. A good camera is essential, but even more so is a portable charger. There's nothing worse than running out of battery just as you're about to snap that perfect shot of a sunset over the water. Trust me, you'll want to document every moment, from the vibrant colors of the local markets to the serene beauty of the beaches at dusk. As your adventure comes to a close, take a moment to reflect. The Maldives isn't just a destination, it's an experience that lingers in your heart long after you've left. It's about the connections made, the flavors tasted, and the beauty witnessed. So, as you pack your bags, remember to include not just your travel essentials, but also an open mind and a spirit of adventure. The Maldives is waiting for you, not just to be seen, but to be experienced in all its glory. So, whether you're lounging on a beach, diving into the ocean, or sharing a meal with locals, embrace every moment. Because this is the Maldives like you've never seen before, and it's ready to show you a world beyond your wildest dreams. Like and subscribe.